Mexico's Supreme Court granted amparos to 6 companies, declaring the 2021 electric power industry law reforms unconstitutional. Meanwhile, the Treasury reported on oil revenues for 2023, and Andrés Moreno, Director of Investments for Afore Sura, said that Afores will refrain from participating in a newly regulated Bitcoin ETF market. My name is Andrés. Welcome to Mexico Business Now. These are your top stories of the week. After months of legal battles and delays, Mexico's Supreme Court granted amparos to 6 companies, declaring the 2021 electric power industry law reforms proposed by President Andrés López Obrador unconstitutional. The reforms were aimed at prioritizing CFE electricity distribution, impacting private energy generators, particularly those in the renewable sector. López Obrador vowed to contest the Supreme Court's ruling. During his daily briefing, López Obrador criticized the court's decision, accusing the justices who voted against the reform of surrendering the private interest. Afores will refrain from participating in a newly regulated Bitcoin ETF market until there are guarantees that clients' equity is secure, according to Andrés Moreno, Director of Investments of Afore Sura. The approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds by the US Securities and Exchange Commission in January 2024 triggered cautious responses from financial institutions like Afores. Moreno expressed reservations regarding the reliability of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, emphasizing Afores' commitment to non-speculative, long-term investments. López Obrador's latest reform proposals state that no concessions will be granted to open-pit mining companies. Another seeks to prohibit the granting of water concessions in areas of low water availability, as well as giving preference to personal and domestic consumption. Although experts say they are not sure that these reforms can be approved, the measure has been put forth amid a political environment that is already unfavorable to mining companies. The Treasury reported on the country's 2023 oil revenues, which were lower due to exchange rates and flat prices. Prices are expected to remain similar throughout 2024. The Treasury also reported that Mexico did not make use of its famous oil hedge. Despite lower oil income, the Treasury affirmed that Pemex debt for 2024 is covered. Federal financial aid to Pemex and CFEs are significant factors supporting the NOC's credit rating. However, this support also poses a threat to Mexico's own credit rating. The port of Lázaro Cárdenas in Michoacán is dealing with a surge in Chinese car imports, causing substantial delays and impacting its operational efficiency. Thanks to its specialized car terminal and 2 multi-purpose terminals, the port plays a pivotal role in automotive operations on Mexico's Pacific coast. However, the large number of arriving vehicles is taking up a significant percentage of its capabilities. All of this and more at Mexico Business News. Don't miss out on this week's Mexico Business Now podcast, starring Juan José González, CEO and founder of Stoico, available on all streaming platforms. This weekly roundup was brought to you by Mexico View, the premier community of multinational business leaders focused on Mexico.